Hi everyone, today I'll show you this new phone casing that I have here. This is the X.One, the Dropguard 2S version, which I assume that it's a newer version of Dropguards. And I'm gonna open the box in a moment's time to show you the details. But right now, it will be in the external part of the item. Gonna do a zoom so you can read them effortlessly. So okay, surpasses 10 feet military standards. Alright, I'm not quite sure what that means, but it sounds impressive. I mean, like, military standards means do they drop test their equipment regularly, or not sure how that works. So this is 20 feet drop protection. Okay, DNA guard, edge guard. Okay, more info, made in China. Alright, so I'm gonna open up the box. Alright, open up. Alright, so the case itself is pretty simple, straightforward box. Okay, not much to say. Okay, and this is the casing itself. First impression, feels nice to touch it. It's not silicone, I think. I'm not a fan of silicone, to be honest, which is why I find this pleasant discovery, because this is the first time I experienced the X.One case. Yeah. Alright, looks solid and sturdy enough. My previous one, I'm not sure why, it just, I'm not sure why after I use it a while, it become like this. But for this one, there's nothing to fail, so it's a one-piece thing, which I'm happy with. Alright. Okay. I wonder if there are any models out there with the actual, which allows me to activate the thing, the camera view thing, easily. But this one I think is okay. Similar to the one I previously have. So I'm gonna test this in a while and change the camera. We are gonna test it with my camera now to put this case with. Alright, so switch off camera. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max that I use for my videos nowadays. So gonna fit it in and show you how it looks like after it's fit in. Alright, so there you go. Pretty much straightforward enough. I noticed that there's like the edge here is actually elevated, helps protect the screen. Nice. Buttons feels nice to press. Okay, up, down, power. The camera control, it's easy to use, activate. Okay, good. Overall satisfied. This one will help protect the screen, because I saw online there's another case where somehow it's not protected, so when the thing fell, cracked the screen protector or the screen. I think probably the protector lah. So having this, I think it helps to resist any impact from this point. So Okay, well thought of. Okay, well, happy buy, and yeah, that's pretty much to it. Phone casing, I like it. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the test just now. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much, everyone, for dropping by. Before you leave, I'd like to remind all of you that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves all of you, and He is a healer. So all you need to do is reach out to Him, and He will meet you where you are. Because by the stripes on His body, and through the work on His cross, on the cross, He already took away all your sickness and diseases, and all of your griefs and sorrow has already been taken away. So all you need to do is say yes. Alright, thank you everyone again, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.